types of ads are everywhere these days. And guess what? I made them using AI. The best part? You can too. With just 3 simple steps, you can create eye-catching, high-quality ads in no time, whether it's for your business, a client, or just to flex on social media. So, if you want to level up your marketing game, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. AI ads are the future. Want to create one in just 3 steps? Let's go! Step 1. Generate an image prompt. If you already have an image prompt in mind, great. If not, no worries. Just head over to ChatGPT, type in your desired concept, and hit enter. Boom! You now have a custom image prompt in seconds. Now copy that prompt. Easy, right? But hold on, we're just getting started. Step 2. Create the image now. Let's bring that prompt to life. Go to Krea AI, a powerful AI image generator. Paste your prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, your high-quality images are ready. Not happy with the results? Just click More to generate new options. There are also tons of other settings to play around with. So go wild! Step 3. Bring your image to life. Now, let's turn this still image into an eye-catching animated ad. Head over to Kling AI and select the image to video option. Upload the image we just generated. Now, give it a motion prompt. I'm using tiny workers working on a perfume bottle. In the settings, set relevance to 1 for accuracy. Choose the duration, 5 or 10 seconds. I'm going with 5. You can even add negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements. Once everything looks good, hit generate. And voila! Your ad is now alive. You can simply download it. Final thoughts. And just like that, you've created a professional AI ad without spending thousands on designers or video editors. Crazy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more game-changing AI tricks. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.